As an appliance repair business owner and a field technician, when I'm upside down behind a dryer and the phone rings, I'm like, fuck. You never know what's on the other end of that phone. And if I miss only 2 jobs per day, that can add up to over $9,000 a month. A lot of times I'm picking up just for spam, but what if I'm running Google ads? Or what if it's a current customer? Or what if it's that psycho lady from last week? I only have 2 hands, and one of them's holding a socket wrench. That's why I built the GuildUSA, the only software designed exclusively for appliance repair. My name is Mark, and I'm the owner of Appliance Repair American in Southern Florida. GuildUSA answers phones, books calls, and sends everyone in the loop an automated message. You'll never miss a call again or get bothered by spam. Even when someone hangs up right away, they get sent a booking form and an automated polite text message from you, stopping them from calling the next guy. Click the link to learn more and try a complimentary subscription today.